Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to schedule a meeting on 8x8 and highlight features found on 8x8. So on Google search type in 8x8 and click on video conferencing 8x8 video meetings, and you can type in the title of your meeting without any space, and click on start meeting. Click on allow the use of microphone and camera. Okay, it's asking you what's your name. You can type in your name. Okay. Right. Right. Let's explore the features. Here is an icon if you would like to share your screen. You click there, and then you can choose either application in your window or from your Google Chrome what you have searched, and then you can just click on, once you click on it, then you say share. But I don't want to share anything at the moment, so I click on cancel. And when you're in the meeting, if you would like to say something, you can raise your or lower your hand, and here you can open a chat. You know what's happening. Yes, you find the emojis here. You can click on it and send it. So basically the participant can chat using this chat. And if you would like to share, oh sorry, that's a chat. We're done with the sharing. Right, this is a microphone if you would like to mute yourself or unmute, and then if you'd like to leave the meeting and switching on and off the camera is off like that, and turn it on, and then this one is title view tile, sorry, and here we find information of the link that you can share with the participant. So you can basically click on that and send the link to the people who are going to attend the meeting. And here you find features such as manage video quality. This moment the video quality is high definition, and we have options of viewing your screen like full, then start live streaming, and settings, mute everyone. So if you are the host, you have that right to mute everyone, because it's not nice when everyone's speaking at the same time. And then we have speaker statistics, and you can leave a feedback, view shortcuts, download our apps. So this is if you would like to have 8x8 app on your computer, you can download it by clicking here. And help, if you need any help regarding this tool, you can type there and you will get help. So let's see what's on settings. Under devices, that you find information about the camera, microphone, and the audio output. Profile, you basically see your name and email address. My email address is not there because I haven't signed up with this tool. And then the language, you can choose the language that you would like to be used in the meeting. So that's basically it. Thanks again for watching and see you next time.